Welcome back to my channel. Good morning. This morning we are going to make a keto bread together. This bread tastes like any regular bread. The consistency is just perfect and no one going to tell this is not a regular white flour bread. Very easy to make, anybody can make it, so you are gonna able to make it. And if you just find my channel, on this channel I am doing keto recipes. I am sharing our weight loss journey with you, our keto and intermittent fasting tips and advices. We are sharing product reviews, things we like and love and use every day. And we are sharing our experiences, what worked and what didn't work for us. So if you like what you see, then stick around and let's hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos. And now let's start to bake this bread. Very first step, preheat your oven for 345 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. It's very important to preheat your oven well, like an hour and a half before you start to bake the bread, because this will determine how much it's going to raise. You will need 3 eggs, baking powder, Celtic sea salt, almond flour, grounded psyllium seeds, half a cup of pumpkin seeds and half a cup of flax seeds. And now we mix all the ingredients together in one large bowl. You need 3 deciliters of almond flour. The US measurement is on the screen. Then you need 1 deciliter of grounded psyllium seeds. Then you can add your pumpkin seeds, your flax seeds, it's both half and half cups, 1 teaspoon of Celtic sea salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and the 3 eggs. Now we are going to add to this our wet ingredients. Our wet ingredient is 3 deciliters of water boiled up with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in it. And when this is boiled, you add this mixture to your dry ingredients. And now you add your apple cider vinegar water mixture and just mix this together. That's the right consistency. It's a bit sticky and it's like consistency of bread, as you see. And now you need a bowl like this, and you can use folie I did or baking sheet in it. And now you can make this as a bread loaf into the pot, and you can wipe your hands before so it's easier to work with. And you can just spread it into your form and press it down as much as you can. Like this. And at this point you can sprinkle more pumpkin seeds on top. Very good. And this is ready to go to the oven for 55 minutes on 345 Fahrenheit. Time is up. So this is our raised bread. You can see it raised beautifully, and now I'm going to make a toothpick test to make sure this is good. Perfect. This is perfect. Here is our beautiful pumpkin bread, and it's really hot, so you have to leave it to cool down, and when it cools down I will show you how it looks. This is how the bread loaf looks like after it's cooled down, and then it's very easy to take away the folia. It's perfect, and we wait a little bit more because it's still a bit too warm, and then we will slice it up and then you will see how it is. It's still a bit too warm, but you can see that you can perfectly slice it. The consistency is perfect. You can make small slices like this one, and you can make thicker ones like this one, and it's perfect. I hope you like this recipe. Let me know in the comments below how was it, and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.